Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what we're going to do is show you how to change a casing, fan motor casing, on a Kranzle 7 or a 10, 120, 122, whatever the model is. So what we'll simply do is just while it's in this position, you just loosen that screw, spin it round, just loosen that screw, tilt it onto its side while it's there, and we'll unloosen that screw underneath there. Then I'm going to take the screws off the top cover. So you've got 3, 4 Phillips screws that are going to be loosened off and taken off. So we can then see, and what you'll see is the electrics. Like I say, I'll just loosen this off into this position. Now, you've got the capacitor inside there, but what you've simply got, I'll tilt it on its side so you can see better, is 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys. Now that's holding that down onto the motor. As long as you keep all the wires intact and everything else, you're absolutely fine. So what we'll do is we'll go on and we'll take that casing off as well, so we can get to this fan casing. So what we've got here is the 4mm Allen key. So we'll loosen all these screws off. As you can see inside, we'll take all these out. You can just loosen them off, you don't need to take them out, leave them in so nothing drops inside the actual motor casing itself. So then this becomes loose. There is a cover over so nothing can get inside there on the Kranzle, but what you'll see now is all you're simply going to do is undo the screws. This is loose. And the other one at the other end, it's just self-tappers, that's all they are, Phillips screw. Now you'll see there's no screw in the top one. In a second or two, I'll just get this one off. And that's the casing. What you'd simply do is just simply peel that back off, bit of glue, and put the new casing in place. Like I said, there's no screw, it's not screwed down, isn't that top one, but that sits there underneath the casing there, it sits onto. And obviously to put it back together, you just do what you've just done. Put it back together, simple as that. While you're on there as well, just always make certain, little Allen key again, just make sure that this casing here is no damage on the fan, and these are nice and tight, these screws here, for time it takes. So just make sure Allen key again, size 3mm, and just make sure they're all tight. And just check the fan, make sure you leave it pumping, and that's the job done. Put it back together. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.